An introduction email is sent to you with a link to the customer portal to sign the bill of lading. Also in the email are links to a valuation video, rights and responsibilities, the ready-to-move booklet, and other useful links for the moving process. You will click on the Sign Your Bill of Lading here link to access the electronic bill of lading. You will be taken to the customer portal. You will scroll through to see all parts of your bill of lading. On all pages, you can download a copy of the full bill of lading by using the printable bill of lading button. Required materials are available on all 9 pages via the links under Important Information and Consumer Safety Information, including a link to the valuation video. The next arrow is used to advance to the next page, where you can view other parts of the bill of lading. Page 2 is the summary. It lists out the estimate, packing, pickup and delivery dates, the type of estimate, the size and weight of the shipment, origin and destination information, and the agents involved. Page 3 is where you will declare valuation. Option 1 outlines the full replacement value protection. If selected, the declared value will be listed from the estimate. Also, if option 1 is selected, you will need to select the deductible amount. After you select the deductible amount and you hit the arrow button, you will need to initial for the deductible amount. Then click the green thumbs up button. Option 2 waives the right to full replacement value protection. This is the 60 cents per pound valuation at no charge to you. If option 2 is selected and you hit the arrow button, you will be advised of the full replacement value option and pricing, allowing you another chance to choose full replacement value protection. If you want to continue with option 2, you will need to select the button 60 cents per pound. Then you will be required to initial and sign for confirmation of 60 cents per pound valuation. Then click the green thumbs up button. Otherwise, you can choose what level of deductible you would like and hit the corresponding button to initial for the deductible amount. Page 4 is information pertaining to the move. This page is for you to review and make sure the information is correct. Page 5 explains extraordinary value article declarations. There is a downloadable link to the extraordinary value inventory sheet, but the booking agent will make sure you have a copy if needed. On page 6, you will acknowledge that you have received the rights and responsibilities, ready to move, and carrier liability brochure. If you would like to be notified of final charges, you will select how you would like to be notified, either by email, phone, US mail, or fax. If any changes to contact information need to be made, you can make those updates in the other field. Page 7 is the billing page. It lists out final charges and any prepayments. On page 8, the terms and conditions are available for you to review. This is where you can elect to be present during weighing. On page 9, you will need to sign for acknowledgement and consent to the terms and conditions, as well as the selection of full replacement value protection and that you will prepare an item of extraordinary value form if applicable. You will have the option to either sign or use the type option to type your name into a signature. To submit the signed bill of lading, you will click the green thumbs up button. Once the bill of lading has been filled out and signed, you will receive a thank you page. An email will be sent to you with a copy of the signed bill of lading as well as the rights and responsibilities when you move, and the ready-to-move booklet.